Life becomes meaningful when we live not just for ourselves but for others too. Welcome, dear learners. Let's begin our chapter 3 Exponent and Radicals Hard Question. Today we are doing our question number 1 and question number 2 of HOTS. Here, this is our question number 1. Here, our question number 1 is evaluate 6 raised to power minus 1 minus 8 raised to power minus 1 whole exponent is minus 1 plus bracket 2 raised to power minus 1 minus 3 raised to power minus 1 and its whole exponent is minus 1. Here I write this 6 raised to power minus 1 means here I want to become this 6 raised to power minus 1, here exponent is minus 1, base is 6. I make here the negative exponent as positive exponent by writing as 1 upon 6 here bracket minus I can write 8 raised to power minus 1 as my 1 upon 8 and its exponent is minus 1 here plus I can write here 2 raised to power minus 1 as here minus 1 is exponent, so I write it as 1 upon 2 minus I can write 3 raised to power minus 1 as 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 1 here. Now I take here the LCM of this 6 and 8. I write here 6 and 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Here 3, 2 2s are 4. 3, 2 1s are 2. 3, 3 1s are 3 and 1. Now I stop here. 3 2s are 6 to 12, 12 2s are 24. Here our LCM is 12. 6 1s are 6, 6 to 12, 6 3s are 24 and 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3 minus 8 1s are 8, 2 are 16, 8 3s are 24 and 3 1s are here 6 1s are 6, 6 to 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 4 1s are 4 here. 4 minus 3, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 and its exponent is minus 1 plus here the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 minus 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 raised to power minus 1. I can write now is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 24. Its exponent is minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 6 raised to power minus 1. Now I can write this 1 upon 24 raised to power minus 1 as by interchanging the digit. By making the negative exponent into positive exponent, I can write it as 24. By doing the same here, I can write this one as 6 here is equal to 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. So here our answer is 30. Now move to our next question number 2. Our question number 2 is if 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 9 and 4 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 64, then find the value of y upon x minus x upon y. I write here answer of this question. In this question we have to find the value of x and y by comparing the exponent. Here 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 9 and 4 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 64. Firstly, I have to make the base same. I write here 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 9. Now I make the same base in the LHS and RHS. Here this is 3 raised to power x minus 1. I can write 9 as 3 raised to power 2. Now here I compare the exponent. I can write it as x minus 1 is equal to here this is 2. Now x is equal to 2 plus 1. X is equal to 3. Now from here 4 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 64. Now I do the prime factorization of it. This 64 I have to make the same base. So I take here 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16 and 4 1s are 4. Means I write 64 as 4 raised to power 3. Now I here compare the exponents. Here our exponent is y plus 2 is equal to, here the exponent is 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. Y is equal to 1 here. Now here I have to find out the value of x and y. Now put the value of x and y at the place of this I, or we get. Here we find out the value of, here the y upon x minus x upon y. The given question is here. Now I put the value of y at the place of a y. Y is equal to 1 and x we calculate here is equal to 3 minus x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 here. Now I take the LCM here. The LCM of 1 and 3 is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1 minus 1 threes are 3 and 1 3 threes are 9. Now 1 minus 9. Now 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8 upon 3. This is our answer of this question. So stay connected with us for more videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. That's all in today's video.